What's up, guys? This is Sniping Profit. That's the name of my channel. My name is Daniel. I'm going to show you this video of the items I've sold on eBay so far. And the majority of the items are Walmart clearance. There's a few thrift store items in there and some Pokemon cards. And I'll show you guys that. But Walmart clearance is the go-to right now. So here we go. These pink tank tops, Ron John Surf Shop, sell for about 15 to 20 pre-owned. Oh yeah, so I'm taking these two DVDs for sure. They're sealed. Shameless, first season, and the third season. So $1 each. Probably sell them together. So the highlight of the video was Wonder Woman. I think I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Wonder Womans. So I'm at Walmart. I was just in the clearance section. There wasn't a lot. It was all picked out. But I found this ink right here. See, it says $15. Scan it with the Walmart app. It's $5. Sells on eBay for about 25 to 30 bucks. So that's an easy sale right there. And it's 105 degrees here in Odessa. We got a hit. These are $8 each. They sell for about 25 to 35 on eBay. There's two of them. Let's take them. What are they? Wi-Fi USB adapter. They used to be 19? Now they're 4?
$4.
Oh wow.
And I believe there's 3 different kinds. It's those two. And I don't know which is the other one.
Wow. Yeah, that tag says 10, but they probably had a different tag of 19.
Yeah, $4.
Oh wow.
I saw you're buying all kinds of toys, and I'm like, I wonder if you saw them.
Oh yeah, I do. Thank you. So I'll buy 3 Predators, 3 different types, and I'll make a listing. Even if it's just 10 bucks, I make 15 bucks. It's still money in my pocket, right? And it gives my account some traction. And it makes a good video. So these sell for like 9 bucks on eBay. They're $3. I'm gonna buy 2 and make a listing. See if I could sell them for like 15 or something. Why not, right? That's the hashtag of the video. Why not? Check this out. It looks like it's for diabetes, right? Just one alone sells for like 10 bucks. I've seen packs of 3 for like 30. And look, we have 2 of these. I need to check these though. Let me check these real quick. Green sell for around the same price. There's like 20 something sales of this One Touch in the last 3 months. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15 of them for 20 bucks. That's a good deal. These are $2 for the ice cream machines, I think. Makes 2 quarts of delicious premium old-fashioned ice cream. Nostalgia brand. You got cookies and cream, strawberry, and vanilla cream. Well, these are actually $3.48, but the other 2 are $2. When you scan it with the app, they're $2. So let's do 2 of these. 2 of these we'll do, so it'll be a listing of 4. I'll sell it for around $28, $29. 2, 4, 6, $8 invested. Shipping will be like 7, 15. So yeah, I could double up right there. At least a little more than double up. So I'm in Odessa, might as well make the best of it. Let's see if these Odessa Permian shirts can sell. $1.99. I see pre-owned shirts, Odessa Permian, selling in the 20s. So $1.99, let's give it a Blue Star medicated anti-itch ointments are $3 a piece, so that's $6. I see listings that are selling for 15. There's about, 26 other listings, and there's 28 sales in the last 3 months. So I'm gonna buy these 2, list them up, and if I sell them, I'll have a listing and I could just keep replenishing it. It's not a slam dunk, but it's a way to make money. And check this out, there's 3 more. So if there's more in the future, I have that listing, I put the out of stock option, I could just keep selling it over and over and over again. You always want to look for items you can keep replenishing and selling over. Keep the money coming. I haven't really found much for this video, but I came back to the clearance aisle and I found these for $2. They sell for like 18 bucks on eBay just for 1. I've seen listings for the 2 for 30. The boxes are a little beat up, but they're brand new. They're not expired till 2024. And there's about 69 sales in the past 3 months, so that's gonna sell for me, and I'm picking it up. I scanned this on the app, it doesn't pop out, only the online price for 24. But then I scan it right here, so it shows the $7.49. These Target carts, right? So much smoother than the Walmart carts. Look at that control. Tokyo Drift right here. I'm gonna make a 4-pack listing of cookies and cream. See how that goes.